and cricket five. You are following cricket five. ಎರಡು ಮಾತು cricket five ಬಗ್ಗೆ and Chitti ಬಗ್ಗೆ.
Chitti is a good human being, a gentleman, and he knows how to give respect to seniors. And today, not only is a cricketer and not only player, and today is umpiring. See, umpiring 4-day in Timupe not easy. He is a professional umpire also. See, cricket is only not a started to play cricket, not only cricket. Nowadays, a lot of opportunities there. You can becoming like umpiring, you can scorer, you can massio, trainer, physio, bowling coach, so many opportunities there. People come, start, play first cricket, enjoy cricket. If you can't achieve anything, if I telling one door if you close, another door will open. Just come and start and enjoy. Regarding to Chitti Babu, wish him good luck to him from cricket fight. Let people to play step by step, play under 14, under 16, under 19, then under 23, then Ranji Trophy. India from your cricket fight. Let them wish them that people can play for India. Good luck to them.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the time, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.